Hello, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to my channel, Adinda Locals Vlog. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you my favorite succulents. So this one is Madiba Pinkish Tips. Okay, surviving here in the hot weather. And this one is Opalina, Ruby Donna. Very lush, reddish pinkish leaves, Ruby Donna. Very stable already, my Ruby Donna. And then next is Lowland. This one is already under my care for almost 2 years. Yeah, locally bred from Benguet. Very low maintenance. And this one is Bluebird. I need to transfer Bluebird to a bigger pot or stem cut, possibly. Bluebird. And this one is white one. The name of this succulent is white one. I think it's been with me for over a year now. Very white farina and reddish tips, or I should say pinkish. Then this one is Blue Cloud. This is already grown. This is already a very stable succulent under my care. And this is big. Needs some trimming or stem cutting as well, or either transfer to a bigger pot, I should say. Yeah, in front of Blue Cloud. One of my favorite, white one. Locally propagated from Benguet. Next will be prettier in pink or Marpin. Very stable. And I planted another succulent along with Marpin. That will be Bill Baker. I have a couple of stems of Marpin here, or the pretty in pink, as they call it. Yeah, very beautiful. And this one is a Warcha. This is a variegated, I think this is an oxtail tongue or something, and there's already 2 babies. I will let it grow a little, like have it stay there for a couple of months, and then I'll transfer it to another pot. And this one is Ruby Donna. I have like a total of 4 Ruby Donna, and this one is my very first Ruby Donna. Almost 2 years under my care. It's one of my favorite, Ruby Donna. And this is Monroe. There will be 2 types of Monroe, orange and pink. You will recognize the color on the tip of each leaf, and it is showing orange, so this will be orange Monroe. And this is Echeveria, but I'm not really sure about the ID. And at the back is a Ruby Donna or Opalina. I forgot the name of this succulent, I'm sorry. But this is a very beautiful succulent, or Echeveria I should say.